Achieving this hairstyle was an easy feat. It was so effortless, not so complicated, and you can do it too if that's what you want. As we all know, great things all have their own steps, and mine didn't start like this, it started like this. After a typical wash day routine, I just had to make sure my hair moisture is locked in. So I used two major products. This Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner, Straightener, Snake Straightener, and this Shea Butter. I first of all used my conditioner, then I used the Shea Butter. So that is why my hair is currently looking like this. I'm going to leave for a while and let it soak in and cut my hair into parts. I don't want to bore you with that. And cutting it into parts, and you're going to see what it looks like. Yes, having parts and braid my hair off camera. I basically just cut my hair into sections and braided the hair halfway, not fully. But if you want it to be a full braided hair, you can go ahead with that. But I just wanted my hair to have a natural hair feel. You understand better if you keep watching. So I'm going to back my hair into sections. So I'll be using two major hair products in this video. This Lush SASHA Coils and Lush Kinky Twist. So both major products used in this video are both Lush products. You can get them in a store closest to you. I'm going to be using a crochet pin and a scissors. So basically that's what I'll be using. So I'm going to pack the hair up so I can continue or start the hairstyle. For those who are new to the product SASHA LOCS, you should know that this product comes in 3 bundles that has 30 pieces in them. I'm telling you again, it's 30. Some of those vendors remove these locks and it's not true. So I'm going to count them in front of you for you to see that each bundle is 30. It is actually 30. So you might want to count before you leave because some of them might have removed 1 locks in each bundle. But Lush packs 30 blocks, 30 strands in each bundle, so that's 90 in each. So to start the hairstyle, you're going to insert the crochet pin in the loop of that locks. Then you now use that crochet pin to pull your own hair inside that loop, that space in front of your locks. You see this remaining hair like this, as it's looking like this, you will now close the crochet pin, insert it at the root of your hair as done in this video. Then you now insert your own hair, your own hair that grow out of your head inside that crochet pin to pull it into the roots. So once that is done, you want to align the hair. You see your hair is in 3 rows or 3 lines. You want to align it and in a way that the hair is equal and the strands remaining does not pass where your loop is. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If this is not the first time of you seeing me, you already know we are G's. This channel will help you with 3 main things: show you realistic hairstyles that promote healthy hair and enhance hair growth, and also help provide directions, not criticisms, when making your hair, and also will show you varieties of hair products you can use whenever you want to make your hair. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and comment if you have any questions. Basically, what you've watched me do right now is to separate my Lush Kinky Twist into sections and remove it from the pack. Because of my hair length, I'm going to be cutting the Lush Kinky Twist into 2 halves and removing the amount of hair I want to wrap my hair. But if your hair is longer than mine, you might just, leave the whole hair and use it the way it is. You don't have to cut it. It's still going to be enough though. Back to the style, I'm going to remove a small section from the one I cut to wrap my hair. So basically what you want to do is use that small section to wrap where your hair is, including where the loop is. So you want to align a little bit of kinky twist to where you want to wrap, where the wrap will end. And what? Wrap, 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 wrap. Not R-A-P, but wrap, like round, you go round and round and round. You already get what I'm saying. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead to wrap that very quickly as the video was sped up. And after wrapping it, you want to be very careful when you want to tie it. If your kinky twist is too bulky, you want to cut the bulkiness off and just leave a little bit more and tie it so that your hair will look, it will be chef's kiss. It will be very nice. And once you are done tying it, you cut the excess off and it's looking like that. If you didn't get the process the first time, no worries, watch again to learn. I inserted the crochet pin into the loop of the locks, then use the crochet pin to bring my own hair into the locks. Then I'm going to put the crochet pin into the root of my hair again to bring my hair into the root. to make the hair lined up in 3 different lines or rows, whichever. When lining it up, you do not want your hair to pass where the loop of the hair locks is. So you want to make sure that the hair is lined up properly so as not to make the hair roots look bulky when you are done wrapping it up. Another noteworthy thing is that whenever they're wrapping your hair, or whenever you are wrapping your hair, you want to make sure that you don't wrap it too tightly. You do not wrap it too tightly. Your scalp is precious to you. To me, you just want to make sure your hair is wrapped very gently, not too tight, especially at the scalp area. But you want to wrap it very firmly. Firm but not harmful. Always remember to cut off the excess hair remaining so as to make the hair look neat. You also want to use your hand to wrap the hair at the end so as to make the hair blend in. A drop of water, they say, makes a mighty ocean, so as making a strand of hair makes your hair almost done and looks like a fully done hair. If you've not already liked this video, you should, you should. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I will answer them as soon as I see them. If you want somebody to make this hairstyle for you, come on. The share button is there. You can copy the link and send it to the person so the person knows the hairstyle and how you want your hair to be done. So for a little bit, I'm going to allow you to watch the video without hearing my voice, and I'm going to come in towards the end, so I will tell you some of the things I did at the end of the video to make my hair look shiny. Don't miss me too much, but while you are missing me, don't forget to tell me in the comment section why you like this hair. DJ, cue in music.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Thinking of who I am I enough if I'm not a man? 'Cause I've been caught
feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say,
oh mystery, this is what the hair is currently looking like. Yes, this is what it is looking like. If your hair is lifting up as you see in this video, I'm going to show you something that you can do to make it soften. It is lifting up because it's a new hair. You just wrapped it. Is currently rigid. You are going to make it flexible, and to achieve that, I'm going to be using one of the products I showed you earlier in this video. Yes, if you are guessing the Mega Growth Leave-In Straightener, you are what? You are correct. You are right. You are very, very sure of yourself, because that is what we'll be using, or I will be using in this video, to make my hair roots very soft. What I just did was to take a little of the product, put it on my palm and rub it against my palm very well. Then focus on applying it on the roots of the hair that I just did. This does not only just makes my hair flexible, it nourishes my own hair itself. Another product I'll be using is the oil sheen. This oil sheen seems to be popular. Those that are not new to my channel already know this is not the normal oil sheen I use, but this is what I'm going to be using in this video. I'm going to be spraying it both on the roots and the strands of the hair I just made. Now, the extra tip for those who stuck to the end of the video. Whenever you want to use your SASHA LOCS, you want to go through every strands of the hair and pick the hard ones. That is the solid one, the tightly knitted ones, not the ones that are soft. Because when I started doing the hair, I saw that some of the locks are apparently soft, and you don't want to use that on your hair. You want to use the solid one. So this is what the hair is looking like. If you've not liked, guys, like, subscribe, because more is coming, and show your support in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.